Okay, guys, week 7, we're going through the rotation and playing from the rotation and improving the lob also from the rotation. Okay, so it's going to be the simple rotation, which means that the ball will bounce in the first or second glass, this one. Okay, so the warm-up will be like in a match, two and two. Okay, if we're missing one player, then the coach goes in. Okay, and then we rotate. So keeping the ball first of all between the players like this, trying forehand some backhands. All right, and then play cross court. So that will be the warm-up for this week. Okay, after that we're going to start with the rotation, which means that we're gonna be like in this position, okay, with the players like this. So we start with 2 players to the beginning, okay, and we'll start rotating to this side of the one like this. All right, to the forehand. All right, so we're doing the forehand and the backhand rotation today. Meanwhile, 2 players are keeping the ball alive between here from the net and from the back. Okay, like this, keeping the ball alive or closer to each other, or why not, we can also place with the back wall like this. Okay, keeping the ball like this. Let me show you. We can make a net of this one. Okay, like this. That's it. And keeping the ball using this area. All right, so the ball cannot bounce outside the line or between the 2 glasses like this. Okay, so we can use all this court, for example. All right, here we're going to introduce the rotation, so we're going to show them how to rotate. Okay, like bouncing the ball like this and then playing the ball back to the coach, and then we switch positions. Okay, all right, then rotation, follow the ball, and then switching the ball back to the position. Okay, and after we are all done the same thing, then these players switch with these players, and then these players go to this area. All right, after that we're going to hit from the other side of the net, and we will do the same. Okay, so we can, for example, start one ball like here, and then one player in the net like in this area. Okay, so like this and like this. Take this away, and now we will start playing the ball with the rotation, and these players try to play the ball over the net, and this player gives a volley or a overhead shot to that player. This player can be behind the coach like this, and then switch position, and then we switch position like this. Okay, so that will be the second or third exercise. All right, and in this case we can make it very easy depending on the level. We can be always close to this player. All right, and then just focusing on this area, for example. Okay, like one forehand back to the coach, and then one rotation over the net, and then the player hits the ball back, or hits a volley back to the coach, which will be more control of more controlled exercise. Okay, then the coach play another ball like this there, and then here Swiss position. So we make one forehand and then one rotation. All right, display a rotation, hit the ball back, and then the coach rotate, and then the player hits the volley back to the coach or close to the coach. All right. So that will be the second exercise. After that, or third exercise. After this, guys, we're going to start a game, a match, which will be like this. The coach will always start the ball from the rotation. Okay, from the rotation, and then playing the ball over the net like this. All right, and then we start the match from that. I told you we would do the backhand, but I think if we have the time, we can show them the backhand, but not focusing too much on the backhand, guys. Just focusing a little more to the forehand. All right. That's it, guys. Remember, if we're missing one player, then the coach should be the other player. Okay. And keeping the exercise easy. If we need to give the player 2 bounce, then give 2 bounce to the player. Okay. So if it's lefty, then we can do it from the other side. Which means that this player, if it's lefty, then we can do the rotation from the back. Okay. Good, guys. Good luck. Bye.